We are currently living in a period where the majority of things are in uncertainty. Lately, there have been many changes since COVID-19 started expanding around the globe. One of these is that schools have been closed down and affected students' education. In the second year of the new normal setup in the Department of Education, DepEd is giving out their best to ensure learning continuity despite pandemic. At this time of great risk, we have to be self-disciplined, responsible, resilient, and kind to others. This is Ugad High School introducing our school's readiness for the school year 2021 and 2022. Ugad High School is under the leadership of Dr. Lerina M. Colobong, Officer in Charge, together with Leticia Bilagok, Head Teacher 3. As of this month of September, UHS has 1,746 officially enrolled learners and 63 active and dedicated teaching force. Ugad High School proudly presents its school-based management in pursuant to the Republic Act No. 915, known as Governance Basic Education Act of 2001, to strengthen the governance of education, the schools empowering school teams, and expanding community participation. Spearheaded by the SBM Task Force with the active support of the different chairpersons, coordinators, and teachers. The SBM office is the place where you can find the copies of all schools' pertinent documents and files, organized folders and portfolios properly arranged and labeled in filing cabinets and shelves for easier access. Leadership and Governance. The school conducts stakeholders forum, PTA board meeting, teachers orientation and meetings in order to provide information and technical support and give each member an opportunity to share ideas and feedbacks for a school's betterment and improvement. The development plans such as BELCP and PIA are collaboratively created by the stakeholders to provide technical support to the school community through efficient leadership and performance. These plans are derived from DepEd's vision, mission, and core values to achieve the goals and aims of the department. Information is further disseminated through homeroom meetings for focused group discussions. Different projects and programs were initiated and launched for the benefit of the school community. Teachers were also capacitated with knowledge and skills in the new normal setup by attending and participating in different seminars, trainings, and workshops. Curriculum and instruction. The school is committed to safeguard every learner's right by creating a healthy and conducive learning environment that would allow students to maximize their potentials by ensuring quality teaching service, providing continuous school programs, and crafting researches that are related to teaching that will enhance further the strategies and techniques which are already utilized in the field. Here are the programs launched for curriculum and instructions. Reading programs such as Brigada Pagbasa and Project Oras, which provide remediations and enhancement interventions to learners in different grade levels based on their pre-assessment being conducted. Moreover, efficient instructional lesson delivery is achieved through the utilization of curriculum and teacher's guide, which are contextualized through crafting lesson plans, video lessons through the innovations UHS Digituro, e-lessons, crafted contextualized activity sheets and portfolios, and SIMS and eSIMS to facilitate more relatable and comprehensive lessons online and modular to the learners, thus addressing least learned competencies in each of the subject areas. Accountability and continuous improvement. School teams, committees, and organizations such as homeroom PTA officers, supreme student government, homeroom class organization officers, school publication officers, and club officers in each subject area are very useful in determining the functions and roles of each member to their line of work efficiently. As evidence of the Ugad High School stakeholders' dedication and commitment to work, recognition and awards are given to the school and by the school. The school is also thankful to have gained partnerships from community partners and had given certificates of appreciation to all its many community partners who continuously generously support and donate materials, cash, and services which contributed to UHS improvement in many ways for the learners. To show transparency on the allocations, resources, and funds given to the school, a systematic resource inventory is utilized and communicated well to stakeholders such as in stakeholders meeting and assembly and board meetings. BELCP, AIPs, and PIAs and school financial report will be presented through UHS School Report Card for transparency and sustainability. The school is a place where students may participate in and gain experiences that will help them advance in life. Despite pandemic, Ugad High School will never cease to serve its students and community. Indeed, Ugad High School is ready to serve you this school year 2021 and 2022. Unlad Ugad! Wawagi saludukan!